In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Meego app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to do this, you need to go ahead and look for an app called Play Store on your Android smartphone. For my case, I have one here. Now, if you tap on it, you'll be taken to this search interface where you can now perform your search. Go ahead and tap on search here, or just tap on search icon down below and then search for the app by its word Meego, and this will take us to this Meego video call and live chat app. To make sure that it's the right app, make sure it is from Meego team, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.0 with 11,000 reviews, and it has over 10 million downloads. Currently, the file size is around 108 MBs, and the logo is this. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Meego video call and live chat app. And once it is done, it will be installed on your smartphone. From here, you can proceed and open your app here, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Meego app here. Go ahead and tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface for this app. Then proceed and sign up with your Google account. You can also have more options to sign into your account on this app. So that's how you can install Meego app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.